Good day, kings and queens. My name is Erica and this channel is called Loveisthemainkey. Today I'm participating in a collaboration and the title of this collaboration is Mardi Gras Table Challenge 2020. Okay, the host of this collaboration is Creatively MsMe with Stephanie. She has two co-hosts. They are Bitty Boo's Homestead Decor and Fabulous Designs on a Budget. So make sure you go and check out their channels and look at their beautiful tablescapes. Okay, I just did a tablescape the other day with Mardi Gras everything. It was a collaboration. So today I'm going to do it with the end table. I had a lot of extra things that was not seen yet. And I really wanted to participate in this challenge. This is so much fun. I have fun doing these. So I'm going to be blinging out my end table for you all. Okay, we had a few rules. The rules for this collaboration is, she said you must have a tray. She said you must have the colors purple, green, gold, and teal. All right. She also said that we must have a mask and we must have some beads. Okay, so the color purple means justice. The color green means faith. And the color for gold for Mardi Gras, and the color gold for Mardi Gras means power. All right, so we're going to have a lot of fun with this. My end table was a little busy, but hey, Mardi Gras is really busy. Also, Mardi Gras is to eat, have fun, all the fatty foods and everything you want to before Lent starts. So let's get right into it. Okay, kings and queens, the tray I blinged out with glitter myself. The centerpiece I made myself, and the two bottles in the back I made myself. I have the octopus there. It represents, during Mardi Gras time, they eat the deep fried octopus, crawfish, crab legs. All right, let's go a little closer. Thank you, kings and queens. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And remember, love is the main key. And I'll see you in the next video.